Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In this playlist we are currently exploring object-oriented programming in Python. So let's continue exploration of it. For that let's move to the destination folder. So this is our destination folder as you can see. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. So the folder is open in VS Code and this is the source code of today's video. So today is day 34 and we will be exploring self. Also I would like to remind you one thing before exploring the source code. A function created inside class is called method and not function. So just remember in your mind, and also this question can be asked for your interview. What is the difference between a function and method? Now let's understand today's code. So this is a declaration of class, constructor, and this is display information function. So I have simply taken this video from lecture number 32 as it is. So this is a creation of an object using this. So when we create an object, the constructor gets automatically called. And if you have noticed or not, I don't know, but when we call this method using this dot operator, we always pass as self. So what is this self? In Python, when we call a method, the method gets default argument as method itself. So in simple terms, when I call this function using dot operator, the person one, which is object, gets inside that function and it is sent to the class as default argument, and this default argument is called as self. That's why in Python every method has one default argument which is called as self. So let's run the program. I know the program is exactly the same that we have saw in lecture number 32, but I just wanted to introduce or explain you what is a self in this. So in simple terms, self is object itself which is passed along with every method as a default argument. Even if we create multiple objects like this and call the method multiple times and run the program, then what happens is that this display information method is called once. Then it will simply pass person one as default argument here, and when this function is called, it will pass person two as default argument here, which will go to the class and get stored here, and the output will be displayed in front of you. That's why first is lines get printed, because we created object first and then call these two methods. And if I do this, which is I just remove here and just paste it here, then the output will be different. I will show you. So initially the object is created, then constructor is called, then display information is called, and the output is here. And after that object 2 is created, then in display info function is called, which is here. So in this way we can also manage the declaration and call of methods in Python. So besides this, the main topic was self that I have already taught. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries or have not understood this concept self, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. I will be happy to answer your all queries. And the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.